when the child lock feature is on, you won't be able to set any programs or change the programs. But when you remove the child lock button, you can use the menu button, and when you press the menu button repeatedly, you can switch the different programs like pressure cooker, curry, deep fry, or heating milk. You can use those. You cannot directly press those buttons, but the menu button will be used to change the programs. But when you're using dosa chapati mode, or when you want to set the number of whistles, this is a special function of this induction stove. You can directly press those two side touch buttons. Here you can see that I'm trying to play around with the different touch buttons and see which one needs to be used for setting the timer and how to increase the temperature and other such functions. I've been using it for the last 2 years or more than that. I've not had any problems so far. I didn't have the need to service it at any point so far. It is easy to clean if you clean it immediately, and it looks very new after every cleaning. But it is made of glass, so you need to be a little bit careful while handling it. Definitely a value for money purchase. Also, it is 2200 watts, so it is heavy duty, and it cooks really fast, and it can reach good temperatures quickly. So it is definitely a worthy buy.
I saw a few negative reviews for this particular model in the online shopping sites, but those are mainly because of the shipping issues, and the product was not received in good condition where you can return it quickly. So if you can get this model from a local store also, it is definitely a good model worth considering.